morning everyone. Our today's topic is contactor control circuit for two-speed control of three-phase induction motors. It's the schematic diagram for two-speed control of three-phase induction motor. We are using two contactors for this, A and B. Contactor A is for fast speed and B is for slow speed. Now to control the speed of three-phase induction motor, we need to change the number of poles on stator winding, because the synchronous speed is 120 into frequency divided by number of poles. Now synchronous speed is inversely proportional to the number of poles. This synchronous speed is of the rotating magnetic field. So by varying this synchronous speed, we can vary the speed of the induction motor. So speed is inversely proportional to number of poles. By increasing the number of poles on stator winding, we can decrease the speed, and by decreasing the number of poles, we can increase the speed, and vice versa. So for fast speed, button F1 is pushed, so the contactor A will get energized. While stop button S2 is normally close contact of S1 push button, which is for slow speed. So now it is in closed position. So the contactor A will get energized by stop button S2, F1, B1 and A. When the contactor A will get energized, its auxiliary contacts A2 will get closed and A1 will get open. So by the closing of auxiliary contact A2, now the contactor A will get supplied to stop button S2, A2, B1 and A. So by doing this, by energizing contactor A, the stator winding, which is having lower number of poles, will come into the picture, and the three-phase induction motor will run at fast. Now in another case, if we want to run the motor at slow speed, we will push S1 button. By pushing S1, S2 will get open. Due to the opening of S2, contactor A will get de-energized. So by pushing S1 button, contactor B will get energized, while stop button F2, S1, A1 and B. So when B will get energized, it will close its auxiliary contact B2. In addition to its main contacts, it will close its auxiliary contact B2. Now the contactor B will get energization via F2, B2, A1 and B. So we will see its wiring diagram. So here's the wiring diagram. So there are two stator windings. One is for fast speed having lower number of poles, and one is for slow speed having higher number of poles. So when we push the F1 button for fast speed, the contactor A will get energized via stop button, then to F1, stop button S2, F1, then B1, then to contactor A. When the contactor A will get energized, it will close its auxiliary contacts A2, due to which the contactor A will get supply from this auxiliary contact A2 now. Now, if we want to run the motor at slow speed, we will push this S1 button. By pushing this S1 button, contactor B will get energized via stop button, F2, S1, A1 and then to the contactor B. So B will close its contact, its main contact. So the stator winding for slow speed will come into the picture, and moreover it will close its auxiliary contact B2. Now the contactor B will get energy from this contact B2. So this is the wiring diagram for two-speed control of three-phase induction motor.